Introducing the GX series from Domino. Trusted solutions for thermal inkjet marking and coding applications. GX series printing solutions are versatile, easy to integrate, easy to operate, the perfect fit on many printing applications and substrates. Making the GX series suitable not only for simple batch and date coding, but also an ideal solution for complex code formats, check weighing, and track and trace applications across pharmaceutical, food, beverage, and industrial markets. The GX series printers are designed to easily and seamlessly integrate with production lines. Their small footprints, straightforward cartridge exchange, easy operation, and fast data communication make the GX series ideal for all your thermal inkjet printing needs. Effortlessly run the GX150i and GX350i through their easy-to-use, feature-rich touchscreen interface. You can create and edit labels directly on board. The GX OEM completely and seamlessly integrates with production machinery. Simplification of use and low maintenance is at the forefront of the GX series design, making them adaptable to a multitude of setups. The GX series benefit from efficient ink usage using Domino's own market-leading inks, delivering clean, durable coding in graphic quality for high contrast, lasting, GS1-compliant machine and human-readable codes. Domino's GX series of printers' exceptional reliability, simplicity, and adaptability ensure production lines keep running and running and running. Domino Thermal Inkjet. Clean, clear coding. This video is illustrative only and may include optional extras. Performance figures obtained under specific conditions. Individual performance may vary. Errors and downtime on production lines may be unavoidable. Nothing in this video forms part of any contract between you and Domino.